With the aim to renew the strong bond between hill and valley, Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur today organized Ningol Chak-Kouba for women belonging to indigenous communities. Speaking on the sideline before flagging off the bus that was carrying women invitees from Kangla, Ipfm working president, Khurajam Athoba said that the Ningol Chak-Kouba event was organized at Chadong News Site tourist destination in Kamjong district with the aim to foster strong ties among indigenous communities living in the state and to promote peaceful coexistence and harmony.
Indigenous Peoples Forum gi meeting makada chingmi Ningol tamda yum pankiba amadi tamgi Ningol sing chingda yum pankiba amadi chingmi da su tongan ba tanglup group singi marakta intercaste marriage tawkiba adung lo Ningol sing adu ekoina jaba ekoina thingna jaba punamak sing adu ayamba ngwacharaga ngasi ase ekoi chingtam anigi apunba Ningol Chak-Kouba adung loba amna symbolic oiba thorum amakak pangthongna nabagi ekoi sem sajabani Kamjong district ki manung channa leiba Chadong News Site village ta adung loba ekoi Indigenous Peoples Forum gi hoji president gi thausu puriba koi oja asang kasar gi mak masamaki khunda hairiba thorum asi pangthok jagadabani chumnagi chak chaba aduga dokina katpa khakta tana kanglup furup masen gi Ningol mayam sigi marakta interaction tawba sakhang maikhang naba amadi awan nungai phongdok minaba amadi matung tarakpa punsira Manipur da leiriba koi kanglup furup taiba mayam se Ningol sing asigi asigun laba yamna phajakraba magi kanglup furup ki wangmada sagai atopada tingro kanda hairiba sagai sing asi amaga session handanaba punjan handanabagi mari du sagananabagi yamna tanja chaba yamna khudong chaba Tanjamani hana lawjarakanda hairiba thorum asi ekoi symbolic oina pangthokjabani
koi singmi tami ani punna Chak-Kouba thorum asida punamak kauba ngamjatragasu akoina kauba yaba haibadi singi Ningol se akoi indigenous Manipur gi Ningol sina akoi tamda yum panba amadi tamda leba maru ina akoi mitai sing haitare koina akoi indigenous naga singi chinga yum panjaba aduguma Ningol sing boy koi ngasi indigenous from Manipur na aduguma sinjaba Chak-Kouba saruk asida harau na myam lakpi na haijabada lakpi na mipu khudimok so akoi forum digi harau banwai ba porok sari